All right, we got something new for you today. I have my TRX. This is something I tend to use on a little bit more of a frequent basis. I think it's fantastic because you're using your body weight, you're using your range of motion. I really like these. So first one I'm going to show you is going to be biceps and triceps. You're going to be doing a set of biceps for 12 reps, a set of triceps for 12 reps. All right, so you're going to set your TRX up. You got your feet a little bit out in front of you. Lean back. You're going to be supinating your hands so your fingers are going to face up. And you're going to be bringing the TRX towards your face and back down. When we go into the triceps, it's the same thing. You're going to be away from the ends of the TRX, so your feet are a little bit closer into your point of contact. And then you're going to be bending the elbows, bring the TRX towards the top of your head, and then extending out. So that's going to be the motion for the triceps. So we're going to do 12 reps biceps, 12 reps triceps, non-stop. Okay? Set up for the biceps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Switch it up, we're getting into the triceps now. Get yourself in between the two. All right, feet are closer to the door, leaning forwards, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. All right, so go through that set of 12 each, take a little bit of a break, repeat it 2 more times for a total of 3 different sets.